In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove domain from Zoho CRM. This is a useful task when you no longer send email from a specific domain, when a domain was added by mistake, or when you are cleaning up your email settings. Before you remove anything, take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct domain, because deleting the wrong one can affect email sending and deliverability settings for your team. To begin, sign in to your Zoho CRM account and look to the top right corner of the screen. Find the setup option shown as a gear icon and click it. This opens the settings area where Zoho keeps system configuration, including email-related tools. Once you are in setup, you will navigate through the menu to find the email settings. Locate channels, then select email. This section controls how Zoho CRM handles email features, including configuration for sending domains and domain authentication. Inside the email area, find and click the Email Deliverability tab. This is the place where Zoho lists the domains that have been added for email sending and where you can manage domain-level deliverability options. Give the page a moment to fully load so you can see the full list of configured domains. Now move your cursor over the domain you want to remove. Hovering over the domain typically reveals additional actions, including the option to delete. Make sure you are hovering over the correct line, especially if multiple domains look similar. When you are on the correct domain entry, click the trash can icon, which is the delete option. Zoho will then show a confirmation pop-up. This confirmation is there to prevent accidental removals, so pause briefly and read it to ensure you are deleting the intended domain. Finally, confirm the deletion in the pop-up. After you confirm, the domain will be removed from email deliverability, and it should no longer appear in the list. If you still see the domain right away, refresh the page once to confirm the change has taken effect. And that is all there is to it.